streak of light to bring me back around again. Those wild eyes, a psychedelic silhouette. I never meant to fall for you, but I was buried underneath, and all that I could see was white. My salvation, my salvation, my. Oh, you are the snowstorm, I'm purified. The darkest fairy tale in the dead of a night, and let the band play out as I'm making my way home again. Glorious, we transcend into a psychedelic silhouette. I never meant to fall for you, but I.
Hi guys, I hope you liked this quick look at what I was wearing out to lunch on this rainy day, which explains why I'm in long sleeves and pants in the middle of summer. But thanks for watching.